Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oseyo josiasa matiyo marach gi rawere ma pachoka e yore mag siasa kendo wuondogi mar tiyo marach gi omenda ma sirkal chiwonegi mar chako ohala. Nowuoyo e kaunti ma Samburu e kinde mane otele nyasi no mar nyota kama nochiwe siling 50,000 ne rawere ka oseyo jotelo makwedo kendo siko goyo mbaka yiero ma ibiro tim machielo to gionge gi ajenda mar rawere. Nopuoyo rawere ma pachoka e kuom nyiso sinani e tijegi gino mosechiwo nying maber ne piny Kenya ahinya to e pinje maoko ka osingo chiwo sir mowinjore ne rawere mondo omi oyud thuolo mar tiyo e pinje maoko.
Vijana wachaneni na vitisho, wachaneni na uchochezi. Hawa vijana they want a future. Wanataka kujua ajira itapatikana wapi. Wanataka kujua masomo wataendelea namna gani. Wanataka kujua biashara watafanya namna gani na watapata usaidizi wa aina gani kutoka serikali yao. And that is what we are going to do. And I want to assure you, the young people of our nation, that this administration, we have developed for the first time the most deliberate plan for the young people of our nation. If you have friends, if you have neighbors, if you have people whom you know who are either masons, they are carpenters, they are electricians, they are whatever it is that they do in terms of trade, but they don't have a certificate, sisi tutawalipia certificate, wapatiwe certificate. Ndio huyo ambaye hajakuwa na certificate, hajawahi kwenda college, pia tumwezeshe kupitia kwa serikali ya Kenya, tumwezeshe awe na certificate. Ndio the next time anaweza kwenda kwa affordable housing, anaweza kwenda mahali popote, aende akiwa na certificate yake, apatiwe ajira. Ndio tuhakikisha kwamba no Kenyan is left behind.